Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today we are diving into the details of the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 14, a modern revival of a true classic. This legendary coupe, now reimagined, brings together vintage aesthetics and modern technology, making it a dream car for enthusiasts. The 2025 version stays true to the original's timeless charm, while incorporating advanced features to meet today's automotive standards. The new Karmann Ghia Type 14 comes in a stunning vintage creamy beige color, reminiscent of the classic models from the mid-20th century. Volkswagen has carefully preserved the sleek, flowing curves that made the original so iconic, while refining the aerodynamics for improved performance. The full rear view is a masterpiece, featuring an elegantly designed back bumper with chrome accents, round LED taillights, and a retro VW badge that pays tribute to its heritage. The car sits on modern alloy wheels that blend seamlessly with its classic proportions, making it an instant head-turner. Under the hood, Volkswagen has made significant upgrades. While the original Karmann Ghia was powered by an air-cooled engine, the 2025 model is expected to feature an all-electric powertrain, delivering smooth acceleration and an eco-friendly driving experience. With a range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge, this model is not just about nostalgia, it's built for the future. The instant torque and silent operation enhance the driving experience, making it a perfect blend of old-school style and modern efficiency. Stepping inside, the interior is a mix of classic luxury and futuristic convenience. The dashboard retains its vintage look, but now includes a fully digital instrument cluster. A high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless connectivity, navigation, and voice controls. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with a retro design, ensuring comfort while maintaining the car's original aesthetic. Volkswagen has also added advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 14 is a perfect example of how classic cars can be reimagined for the modern era. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars or looking for an elegant electric coupe, this car delivers both nostalgia and innovation. With its stunning design, modern technology, and sustainable performance, it's set to become a collector's favorite. That's all for today's update. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car updates. Stay tuned for more automotive news and reviews.